Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Welcome to this video about chlorzoxazone. Today, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this muscle pain and spasm relief medication. Chlorzoxazone is a muscle relaxant used to treat painful muscle spasms. It's often prescribed for people with muscle injuries, sprains, or back pain. Imagine a tough day at work that leaves you with terrible back pain. Chlorzoxazone might be just what you need to relieve that tension. So how does it work? Chlorzoxazone works in the central nervous system, helping your muscles relax and reducing pain. It doesn't act directly on the muscle. Instead, it blocks pain signals from reaching the brain. Now let's talk about how to take it. The starting dose is usually 250 to 500 milligrams, 3 or 4 times a day. As you start feeling better, your doctor might adjust the dose to keep you comfortable. It's super important to follow your doctor's instructions and not increase the dose yourself. Like all medications, chlorzoxazone can have side effects. You might feel dizzy, sleepy, or have an upset stomach. If you notice serious symptoms like jaundice, yellowing of the skin or eyes, or an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. Also, avoid alcohol while taking this medication, as it can increase drowsiness. In short, chlorzoxazone is an effective medication for relieving muscle spasms and pain. Remember to always follow your doctor's instructions and be mindful of potential side effects. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of your health and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.